The future is electric, and it's closer than you think. Here are 7 insane electric gadgets that will blow your mind in 2026. Welcome to Electric Video Hub, your ultimate source for futuristic tech, electric gadgets, and mind-blowing innovations. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the future. Imagine flying over traffic with zero roads needed. This electric airboard uses powerful air propulsion technology to lift you into the sky and glide smoothly through the air. It's futuristic, crazy, and honestly looks straight out of a sci-fi movie. This portable power station can charge almost anything: phones, laptops, drones, cameras, and even mini fridges. Perfect for camping, emergencies, road trips, or creators on the go. Portable electricity is becoming a must-have. These electric skate shoes have hidden motors built inside them. They give you extra speed while walking or skating, making movement smoother, faster, and way more fun. This might actually be the future of personal transportation. This tiny AI-powered smart ring can control your digital life. Track your health, answer notifications, control smart home devices, make payments, and more, all from your finger. Small gadget, massive power.
Compact, stylish, and fully electric, this mini bike is perfect for quick city rides and short adventures. No gas, no loud engine noise, just clean electric power and instant acceleration. This solar window charger turns sunlight into usable electricity directly from your window. It's transparent, futuristic, and eco-friendly. Imagine charging your phone using nothing but sunlight. This foldable electric drone comes with an ultra-powerful 8K camera, auto tracking, and obstacle avoidance technology. It basically turns anyone into a professional filmmaker. And those were 7 electric gadgets that could change the future. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay charged with Electric Video Hub.